Do you remember the time you were kissing that girl intensely, things were heating up and suddenly she took your hand and placed it on a specific part of her body? Well, I believe this has happened to you before. This gesture shows that this part of her body is more sensitive and she wants to show you that you have the freedom to touch her in that way. Many women think men are slow and clueless. Only 5% of men know which sensitive parts to touch on a woman and when to do it at the right moment. In this video we will explore the 10 scientifically proven female weaknesses in bed that will help you be bolder when you want to make an impression in bed with a girl whenever you go on a date. Are about to hook up with a woman or take her to bed? Keep this video as your secret weapon and watch it beforehand. It will help you become one of her top priorities from that moment on and stay in her mind 24/7. Remember, this works with any woman, regardless of her age or which country she's from. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like to help promote content like this on stoic wisdom and intelligence. Let's get started. Weakness 1. Lips. The lips are one of the most sensitive areas of the human body, loaded with nerve endings that make them exceptionally susceptible to stimuli. This sensitivity makes the lips a powerful erogenous zone. For example, a simple kiss can trigger a cascade of biochemical reactions in the body. Imagine a couple sharing a passionate kiss after a long day at work. This gesture not only serves as a physical expression of affection but also releases hormones like oxytocin, known as the love hormone, which intensifies the feeling of connection and attraction between them. The touch of the lips, especially when accompanied by intimate and affectionate eye contact, can quickly elevate levels of arousal and create a deep connection, demonstrating how even the subtlest interactions can significantly impact the emotional and physical dynamics of a relationship. Weakness 2. Neck. The neck is an incredibly sensitive area and one of the most powerful erogenous zones due to its high concentration of nerve endings and its proximity to the face and ears. The skin on the neck is thinner and more delicate, making it particularly receptive to light touches and whispers. For example, on a casual date like a dinner for two, a simple gesture like someone gently placing their hand on the other's neck while talking can immediately intensify the moment's intimacy. This subtle touch can send shivers down the spine, increasing the emotional and physical connection between the couple. The gentle contact, combined with the warmth of close breath, can transform a common moment into an intensely personal and exciting experience, elevating the level of attraction and desire for both. This type of interaction shows how conscious and attentive touch in sensitive areas like the neck can significantly enrich the dynamics of a relationship. Weakness 3. Ears. The ears, especially the areas around and behind them, are highly sensitive due to their rich network of nerve endings, making them one of the most responsive erogenous zones. The sensitivity of the ears can be explored through whispers, light kisses, or even gentle breaths, which can provoke an intense wave of shivers and excitement. For example, during an intimate and quiet moment, one partner might whisper compliments or expressions of affection into the other's ear. This simple gesture, transmitting warmth and soft breath combined with intimate words, can amplify intimacy and arousal. This type of direct and personal communication, when done at the ear, stimulates not only physically through proximity and touch but also emotionally through the content of the whisper. This approach can transform everyday encounters like a goodbye hug or a moment of reunion into a deeply emotional and attractive experience, reinforcing the bond and desire between the couple. Weakness 4. Breasts and nipples. The breasts and nipples are extremely sensitive areas in many women, functioning as powerful erogenous zones due to their high concentration of nerve ending. Stimulation of these areas can be a highly exciting and gratifying experience. For example, during an intimate moment, the simple act of gently caressing or kissing the breasts can significantly increase a woman's level of arousal. This kind of delicate and attentive touch can awaken an intense emotional response, making the moment not only physically pleasurable but also emotionally connective. Many couples find that by incorporating careful attention to these areas during foreplay they can enhance the quality of their intimate experiences. This not only intensifies physical pleasure but also strengthens the emotional bond by showing care and attention to the partner's pleasure. This connection reinforces intimacy and complicity, enriching the relationship as a whole. Weakness 5. Inner thighs. The inner thighs are an extremely sensitive region due to their proximity to the genital areas and their thin, delicate skin filled with sensitive nerve endings. This area can be a powerful point for increasing arousal when touched correctly. For example, during a romantic dinner at home, one partner might initiate flirtation by gently touching the inner thigh of the other while they talk. This light and intentional touch, especially if done unexpectedly but respectfully, can send waves of shivers throughout the body and intensify the intimate atmosphere between the couple. This type of interaction not only creates anticipation and excitement for what might come next but also highlights the importance of consent and mutual respect in exploring erogenous zones. Careful attention to these sensitive areas during casual moments can significantly enhance